One of the most important questions that I get to answer on a daily basis is what exactly are stem cells? Stem cells are undifferentiated biological cells or mother cells that have the capability to become or produce any other type of cell that you have in your body. Now, a human body is comprised of 37 trillion cells, and these cells are also categorized in over 250 types, but all of them are given birth to by a stem cell. So a stem cell is so powerful that it can either become or produce any type of other cell. And it is these cells that it produces that become tissues. And it is the tissues that converge together to become muscles. And the muscles are what now form the organs that you know about: the heart, the liver, the kidney, the pancreas, the spleen, the brain, and so on and so forth. It is these organs that now categorize themselves into what we call systems, like the central nervous system, like the reproductive system, like the circulatory system, like the immune system, and so on and so forth. It is these systems that now form a human body. So in case of disease, any sort of disease, we can always trace down the cause. And after tracing down the disease, it is through regenerative treatment using, again, stem cells that we can help repair, regenerate, rejuvenate, and replicate good cells to the person's normal capability.